Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we are upscaling our Python powers with something very interesting. Let us see what it is. So, you have your favorite heroes, the Batman and the Superman. But what if they both would be in a single superhero, one which had powers of both? That would be amazing and terrific. Just like that, you can do in Python. You can use the power of functions and power of conditional statements, if and else statements together to make it more and more powerful. Let us understand it by an example. So, for example, you want to make a shipping cost calculator. How would you do that? It's easy. There are conditions on the basis of which you calculate the shipping cost. You can do that in a function. Okay? So whenever a product comes to you, you just, like a barcode scanner, put a function on it and it will calculate the shipping cost to you. Shipping calculator. It is if it will be passed the price of the product in integer value. You can say if price is more than or equal to 1,000, then print free shipping. Else elif price is more than 50 or equal to 50, then print shipping is $5 and default else the shipping cost is shipping is $100. Okay, so we are ready with our shipping calculator. Now let's test it. Shipping cal price is equal to 450. Yes, shipping is $5. Now pass the shipping as $1,100. Free shipping, and the price of product is $10. The shipping is 100. Oh my God, the shipping is more expensive than the product itself. Thank you very much for being with me in this integration of the power of function and the power of conditional logic in Python. Meet you in the next video with some another interesting feature of Python.